Hello, students. Today we'll explore three vital systems of the human body: the excretory system, the nervous system, and the endocrine system. Each one plays a crucial role in maintaining our body's internal balance. Let's start with the excretory system. The excretory system removes metabolic waste products, especially nitrogenous wastes, from the body. This process is called excretion.
Sir, are these wastes the same as undigested food?
No, not at all. Undigested food is removed by the digestive system. The excretory system removes chemical wastes produced inside the body, such as urea, salts, and extra water. In humans, the urinary system is the main excretory system. It includes two kidneys, two ureters, one urinary bladder, and one urethra. The main nitrogenous waste our body produces is urea, formed in the liver and removed through the kidneys. Kidneys are bean-shaped organs located in the abdominal cavity. They filter blood, remove waste, and maintain water balance. The functional unit of the kidney is the nephron, and each kidney has nearly a million of them. A nephron has two main parts: glomerulus, a bunch of tiny blood capillaries; Bowman's capsule, a cup-like structure that surrounds the glomerulus. Together, these form the Malpighian body or renal corpuscle. Extending from the Bowman's capsule is the renal tubule. It has three sections: proximal convoluted tubule, PCT, reabsorbs useful materials. Loop of Henle concentrates urine by water reabsorption. Distal convoluted tubule, DCT, helps in secretion and balance of ions. The first step is glomerular filtration or ultrafiltration. Blood enters the glomerulus under high pressure. Water, urea, salts, and glucose are filtered into Bowman's capsule, forming glomerular filtrate. Large molecules like proteins and blood cells stay behind. Next comes selective reabsorption. As the filtrate passes through the tubule, essential materials like glucose, amino acids, and water are reabsorbed back into the blood. This mainly occurs in the PCT and loop of Henle. The final step is tubular secretion. Here, substances like potassium and hydrogen ions and some drugs are added from the blood to the filtrate. This maintains the blood's pH and ionic balance. The hormone ADH from the pituitary gland controls water reabsorption, ensuring the body doesn't lose too much or too little water. The urine formed in the nephrons moves to the collecting ducts, then to the ureters, into the urinary bladder, and finally leaves the body through the urethra. That's how our body efficiently removes metabolic waste. Now let's move to the nervous system, the body's control and communication network. It helps us sense, think, react, and coordinate every movement. The nervous system has two main divisions: central nervous system, CNS, brain and spinal cord; peripheral nervous system, PNS, all other nerves. The neuron is the functional unit of the nervous system. It has three main parts: cell body. Cyton contains the nucleus, dendrites receive messages from other neurons, axon carries impulses away from the cell body. The axon is covered by a myelin sheath that speeds up signal transmission. At the junction between two neurons lies a synapse. Here, signals pass using chemicals called neurotransmitters, such as acetylcholine.
Sir, if impulses are electrical, why do we need chemicals?
Good question. Inside a neuron, impulses are electrical. But across the synapse, since there's a small gap, the signal changes to chemical form to jump across. The brain is the control center of the body. It's protected by the cranium and three membranes called meninges. It's divided into three parts: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Forebrain, cerebrum, the largest part, responsible for intelligence, memory, voluntary actions, and sensations. Midbrain connects forebrain and hindbrain, controls reflex movements of eyes and head. Hindbrain has three sections: cerebellum for coordination and balance, pons for breathing regulation, medulla oblongata for heartbeat, breathing, and involuntary actions. The spinal cord extends from the medulla oblongata and runs through the backbone. It controls reflex actions, quick, automatic responses to stimuli. For example, when you touch a hot surface, you instantly pull your hand back, even before your brain reacts. Now, let's look at the endocrine system. It consists of ductless glands that release chemical messengers called hormones directly into the bloodstream. These hormones regulate growth, metabolism, reproduction, and emotions. The nervous system works fast, using electrical impulses. The endocrine system works slower, using chemical messages. But both work together to keep the body balanced and coordinated. Let's quickly review what we learned. The excretory system filters wastes through kidneys. The nervous system controls and coordinates all body functions. The endocrine system uses hormones for long-term regulation. Together, they keep our body clean, alert, and in perfect balance. Keep revising and stay curious. Your body is a marvel of biology. Jai Hind.